everybody. This is video number 3 on the countdown to my birthday on September 4th. So just to recap, this is giveaway number 1, these 2 cards. This is the big giveaway, video number 2, which are all the stamps, 8 stamps from the Dollar Tree, where I ask you to do a video review. Go check out those videos. This video, which is video number 3, I'm gonna just chat for a little bit as I work on it, but you saw me do this video yesterday, but I figure I can chat while I do this real quick. I'm going to make another slider card, and just remember that all my videos and my giveaway, not all my videos, but my giveaway rules are: you have to be a subscriber, 18 or older, you have to live in the United States, you have to hit that thumbs up button, you have to leave me a comment, all that good stuff. Yep, all that good stuff. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. Haha, you're probably wondering, what is she doing? I'm using the Dollar Tree stickers. Yep, using these to make slider cards. I bought this die the other day at the Scrapbooking Expo. If you didn't see that video, go check it out. And I thought, how cool would this be to make this slider card? And I'm just using that right now to line up where I want it to be. Like I said in my last couple of videos, I've wanted this silly die for the longest time. I don't know why I procrastinate, which I do, but I finally got it. And since I got it, I have been having a blast making it. It is beyond fun and so simple. I'm loving this. Yep. Loving this. The cutest little card. Yep, so my birthday countdown's coming. And I'm not usually into my birthday. I'm into everybody else's birthday. I'm like, not that it's just another day, but I'm like, I don't need anything. I don't want a birthday party. I tell my kids all the time, don't even buy me anything. Just write me a love note. Just give me some lovin'. Show me some lovin'. I want to make sure that the penny gets covered all the way. Oh my god, this is I'm so freaking excited. How silly is this? It's like the silliest things make me so happy. Alright, so I chose my colors based on, I don't know, the jungle. The jungle? The jungle. In the jungle, the mighty jungle. I'll stop singing now. I felt like Char there for a second. I'm not kidding you. This silly die has made me so happy. And I'm so glad that I haven't procrastinated using it, because sometimes I can do that. I gotta move this over just a tad. I love art glitter glue because it lets you move things over. I usually put, I have a stack of stuff that I've got to put away, newbie stuff, and I haven't used it. And I was like, you know what? With this die, I'm not going to let that happen. I'm not going to let that happen. So, since I got it, and I've opened it, all I want to do is create with this silly die. And I'm like, every time I create something, I'm like, oh, I could do this, and I can use that. And I'm like, oh, I could do that next. So I might be torturing you with sliding cards for a little bit, here and there, in addition to other stuff. But getting back to my birthday giveaway, I have so many great things to create that I am making for my subbies. Yep, I've got a lot of stuff in my mind to create And I am making them all with you all in mind. Let's monkey around. OMG! Wish I could do this in slow motion. Oh, I wanted to do that on Instagram. I have to get Vinny to show me how to do that. Isn't that the cutest? Okay. Loving that one. Quick, simple, easy, right? Then I made this one. Peekaboo, I miss you. I don't know. These things just came to me this morning while I was sitting at my computer. And I'm actually saving all of these, which are the cut-aparts, for other projects. Because you know that's what we do. That's what we do. Okay, so I want to use this one. And I was thinking, which monkey was I going to use? Holy smokes, what did I do with my monkeys? Where'd my monkeys go? Ah, I know which monkey I was going to use. I was going to use the barrel of monkeys dude. Or dudette. She's a dudette. I was going to use the barrel dudette and have it just go back and forth. Yeah, that's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to continue with my thought process. But I want to see, it's going to cover the miss you at one part, but you'll know what it's talking about. So I want that to be right about there. Yipper. Loving this silly die. Loving it. And I confessed yesterday that I haven't used my Cuttlebug in a very long time, and now that I've taken it back out, I realized how much I have missed it. And see, you drop it, and it comes out 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yepper. I'm so excited. I don't know what's wrong with me. I have no clue. I did go through my pocketbook and all my jugs to get pennies out. And Mr. Johnny D, if you're watching, I did go through the dates and make sure that there's no good ones. Because John is my coin collector guy. You know, my metal detectorist. Yeah. Can't give up coins. Not at all. Not at all. Loving this. So loving this. I don't know if, yep, that would work. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my God, this is killing me. Killing me. This is so much fun. Oh, you should, oh, I know you hear it in my voice. I know you're laughing. Hopefully you're laughing and enjoying this and the little chit chat. But I'm hoping that you enjoy the giveaway just as much as I am. And to realize how many, I don't even know how many days it is till my birthday. That's a lot of giveaways. And who knows, maybe some days I'll do 2 videos. What do you think? Who knows? I don't know. Who knows what my day is going to bring? Who knows? Someday. Isn't that from, what movie is that from? That's from, I don't like to hit that. Okay. Goodness. West Side Story. Who knows what I was singing? Love that movie. That's one of my movies that I watch at least once a year. Who has those type of movies where you you have to watch it once a year? I watch at least once a year Dirty Dancing, West Side Story, The Ghost of Mrs. Murr. Love that. And then I like to watch Top Gun. And what else do I like to watch? Oh goodness. All right, the soundtrack is in my head. Oh, it'll come to me. Why the heck can't I think? But yeah, if you have a favorite movie that you have to watch once a year, let me know below in the comments. Oh, how stinking cute is this? You know what? When you're standing it up straight, it rocks better. See that? so when the person's actually, to do it on screen, it kind of lays flat. When I hold it like this, it's harder to do. But when you turn it the right way, the person that's actually reading it, she rolls. Who the heck thought of this? Okay, so that is today's giveaway for my birthday. I think today I'm going to be using, I'm going to bling it out. You know what? I never get to bling it out. So, this is crystal. This is stardust. We have some green. That's not like that's a dark green. Let's see. Let's give it some bling. Oh, look. That means this has to dry for a little bit. Oh yeah, blinging it out. Giving it some bling. Oh, I know, can you see that? And I'll do right in there. And can I do her, I think the stickles will stick to this. Look at that. All right, so we'll leave that. That will dry. And then what I'll do is I'll do a little on each one. How cute is this? Loving it. Loving it. Oh. I'm not going to go into song again. Not happening. The little chit-chat part was fun, since I had everything already cut out. All right, let me hold that one up. Look at those. Look at that. Stinking cute. Loving it. Loving it. Okay, well, these are the cards. I hope you like it. Good luck to everyone that comments and hits that thumbs up button. But make sure that you're a subscriber, because I do have to check. All right, everybody, have a great day, and here's to the countdown of my birthday. All right, everybody, I will see you all real soon. Bye.